Hello guys and welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I will tell you that how to create Outlook email signature with logo. So first of all, we will open up the Outlook application. So right now I am using the Windows 10, but if you have Windows 11 or Windows 8, the process will be the same. Okay, so you have to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do, you will open up you will get here in the search bar and you will type for Outlook, or you can actually search for the Outlook here. So I will just type Outlook here. Outlook here, and Outlook is the predefined application in the Windows 10. So you will see this app here, so you just have to open it up, and once it's opened it up, make sure that you are logged in to your Outlook application. Okay, you have successfully logged, you have to log into your Outlook email in order to actually use this. Okay, so now there are basically two methods to add to open up the signature option here. Okay, so the first one is I will just click on the file menu here, and in the bottom here you will see this option where it says options. Okay, so I will just open up the options here, and now you can see that we have these different kind of options here, and when we click on something in this list here, these options related to this task over here shows here. So you have to click on this second option, which is the mail option here, and if you click on mail, you can see bunch of different options related to mail in this section here. So here you can see that we have this options is called signatures, and here it says like create or modify signatures for messages. So I will just click on this one here, and now then you will see this window over here. So this is the actually one method to actually open up the signature window for you. The second option is very easy. When you open up your browser here, your Outlook app here you at the top you can see this search bar here. Okay, so you can just search for something, like I want say signature, so I will just type here signature, and here you can see that we have this signature option. So we will click on it, and then we will click on this again and signatures. So this is the fastest method to open up the signatures window for you. Okay, so quick. So in order to actually make a new signature here, you need to click on this new here. You just click on this new here and then type a name for the signature, like you have to give this signature a name, because you can create multiple signatures at the same time in Outlook. So you have to give each signature a specific name. So here it says type a name for this signature here. So I will just type it Noman signature, Noman sign maybe, and then I will just click on OK. And then here you have to basically select your email that you actually wanted to associate this signature with. So in my case I have just my one email here, which is this one. So I will just select this email here. Okay, so now, and you can actually delete the signature here, and if you want you can actually rename it. Okay, so if you have multiple signatures here, you can just select them, and if you want to delete them, you can just always delete from here, and if you want to rename them, you can always rename them from here. Okay, so now this is the second option where it says edit signature. So this is the main part where we can actually edit our signature here. So I will just tell you that how you can basically make a signature. So I will just first of all I will just type my name here. So I will just type my name here like Noman Khalid, and then let's just add my company's name. So let's suppose that I work at Microsoft, so I will just type here Microsoft here, and then I will add my position here, that on which position I am currently working at Microsoft. So I will just type here like senior software engineer, and then maybe we have to add our logo here. Maybe we have a logo. So how you can basically add the logo here, sorry, but before logo we should have to enter my number here. So I will just enter my number here. So this is my personal number. So I have added my number here, and then we actually, if let's suppose that we also have a logo here. So how you can actually basically add a logo here, you can just click on this option here, like on this one, and it will open up the this option for you. And I have like multiple logos here on my desktop. So I will choose one logo from here. So let's suppose that I just wanted to choose this one, ChatGPT, and I will insert it. So here you can see that we have inserted the logo here, and you can actually always resize it. Okay, so maybe we can just resize it a little bit. No, okay, no problem. Okay, and so this is the basic signature that we have just created here. Okay, so now you can like do multiple things with this. Let's suppose that if I actually wanted to change the font of my name here, I will just select my name here, and then here you can actually use different kind of fonts here. Okay, so let's suppose that if I wanted to use this font, as you can see that I have this font here, and then if I wanted to use the different font for this, I just go down here, this one, and you can actually like increase or decrease the size also. So let's suppose if I wanted to make these bigger, I can do this. If I wanted to make them bold, and if I wanted to make this italic or underline, I can do this. So these are the basic things again that you can actually do with your signature here. Okay, and I think we can actually add the color here as well. So let's suppose this one. So you can actually change the text color from here, and you can always change the alignment here. So I can just do this as well. Okay, so this is the basic signature that you can basically use. So after you have done editing your signature here, you will just tap on this save option here, and now it's save. Okay, so now in the last option here it says that choose default signature. So you want your signature to appear on new messages, or also replies or forwards as well. So if you want that, you can just always select your signature here, and then you will hit on OK here, and now your signature has been created. And now if we just go to this new email option here at the top left, you will see that we have our newly created signature at our mail. So we will just type our text here, and below we have this our very beautiful email signature with logo in Outlook. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any kind of questions like regarding this video or Outlook, you can actually ask from me in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.